More wildfire problems in the Bemidji area on this Thursday afternoon. Video here from an iNewZ viewer. This was near the Northland Regional Sports Park, the shooting range northwest of Bemidji on Highway 89. It sounds like air support was brought in and roads reopened, and that fire is under control. However, firefighters were also back on the scene at Radar Road, 3 to 4 miles northwest of Bemidji on this Thursday afternoon for more hot spots in that area. So, extreme dry conditions remain. Be careful with any type of fire. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.